Let's start by talking about what is Unity. So Unity is a game engine, and a game engine is just a tool you can use to create your games with. Now it makes it easier to use a game engine versus starting from scratch because of course you already have some things made for yourself. So you'll be able to go ahead and create your game quicker and hopefully easier. Now another great thing about Unity is that it has the ability to deploy on many different platforms. So you can build your game and without too much difficulty, get it to work on, say, Windows Phone, Android, and iOS. And not only those platforms, but Unity also supports PC, Mac, Linux, consoles, just almost any platform you can think of, really. Now, another great feature of Unity is that it has tools for both building 3D and 2D games. So with everything that's in Unity, you can make almost anything you can think of. What you're going to do when you actually get into the program is you're going to build out your levels in the editor, in the scene view, by just dragging in your objects and arranging them in that space. And you're going to script out the logic and events and all the rules of your game using MonoDevelop, that's the program, and the scripting language C#. Now there's lots of powerful tools for animation and audio and even more impressive features than I can really get into in this video, but needless to say, you should be excited, and let's get started.